Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today our topic fun learning activity.
Let's start first activity. Children, look at this picture. What the color of the cycle seats? Look at the next picture. What is the color of the boy's shorts? Children, see this picture. How many trees are there in the picture? Look at this girl. Is the girl wearing a necklace? Children, write these answers in your note. Children, let's see the next activity. Children, you will see two pictures simultaneously. There are 10 difference in the pictures. How many difference? 10 difference. Okay. You have to find and write the differences on your note. Okay. Children, watch this picture carefully. Find out differences. Okay children, shall we check the answers? Correct your answers children. Correct your answers. This exercise is develop your observation skill. Okay. Next topic, conversation. Children, are you ready? In our day-to-day life, we make conversations with different people and it's important to frame a better conversation. Is it? Let's do a quick activity before going into the concept. Okay. See the pictures in the slide and read the dialogues below the picture. Also, there will be two opinions present and you have to pick right option that can be next to the dialogue. Okay. Hey, how are you? Children, what did you choose from this two? Yeah, the correct one. I am fine. How are you? Next one. Mom, can I keep the clean plates on the shelf? What do you reply? Yes, you can. Take the washed plates. Let's see. Next one. Granny, I want to ask you something. What do you reply? Yes, dear. Tell me, what is it? If you are in the bad mood, how do you say it? No, I'm not in the mood. Okay. So, children, we make conversations in our day-to-day life. It's very important to pay attention while framing conversation. Okay, children, prepare to speak 2 or 3 sentences on the conversation about meeting their friend. Okay. Okay, children, read your favorite story from our book. Pick out the conversation present in the story and write them on a sheet of paper. Okay. Then frame a conversation between a shopkeeper and customer. Children, I hope you will prepare this conversation. Okay children, let's see one. Rhymes. Incy Wincy Spider. Children, are you ready to sing this song? Yeah, listen carefully and then join with me. Inchy Winchy Spider. Inchy Winchy Spider. Inchy Winchy Spider, climb up the water spout. Down come the rain and wash the poor Inchy out. Inchy Winchy Spider, climb up the water spout. Down come the rain and wash the poor Inchy out. Inchy Winchy Spider climbed up the water spout. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Inchy Winchy Spider climbed up the water spout. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Inchy Winchy Spider climbed up the spout again. And Inchy Winchy Spider climbed up the spout again. Children, join with me. Inchy Winchy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Inchy out. Inchy Winchy Spider climbed up the water spout. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Inchy Winchy Spider climbed up the spout again. Children, did you enjoy this rhyme? Okay, very good. Children, practice these rhymes. Next, let's do one activity. Look at this picture. Prepare paper spider. Children, follow the steps. Make the head and body. Create the spider's leg. Glue the head to the body. Glue the legs. Fold the legs at the middle. Grease the start of each leg. Put the spider on a flat surface. Trim the legs as needed. Yeah, now your spider is ready.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.